Hello, Diamonds. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I'm Lexi. How are you today? I hope all of you stay happy and healthy, just like me. If you are new to my channel, here I make a lot of K-pop reactions. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to take the bell so you'll see my updates. And today, I'm gonna challenge myself. I'm gonna watch Felix TikTok thirst traps because I want to have clear skin, just like they say. Watch Stray Kids Felix for clear skin. So I'm gonna challenge myself. I'm gonna react to this particular video with no pauses, with no sound at all. Like I'm gonna zip my mouth. I'm not gonna scream. I'm gonna I'm just gonna curse inside my heart, so don't worry. Headphone users, you're safe. Okay, let's do this. Stray. I forgot. I'm sorry. No. Okay, no sound. Look like Mexico. Look, switch my name now. I'm celebrating Hanukkah. Lewinsky bitches, Young Money Monica. I've been hot since Hedgehog Sonica. The teacher passed me the keys to the Hanukkah. My name is Hanukkah. That's the truck, bitches. Fuck you and fuck all of you fuck bitches. Matter of fact, put some sprinkles on my cupcakes. And get ready to put your dimples in cupcakes.
Open up the safe, bitches got a lot to say. Pussy in your face, gotta put you in your place. 7 letters on. She could abuse me, beat the dog shit out of me, cheat on me, hit me with her car.
Oh my goodness, I want to scream right now. I hate him. I hate him so badly. Felix, you're my enemy right now. No. I love him so much. I love his expressions, his body movements. He's like, he's feeling it, he's into it. And I love all idols who can show their passion on stage. Felix is one of them. I love him. I love him so much. Okay, for my next reaction, is it okay for me to react to Bang Chan, the leader? I think I need to give him justice because he's the leader of Stray Kids, and I haven't watched even one of his videos, so I need to learn about Bang Chan, I think. But if you have any other requests, just drop down your comments. I read all your comments. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you next time. Toodles.